Hi everyone, welcome to Presentation Pro, your online tutor for everything about presentations, PowerPoint, slides, and keynotes. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove background in a picture using PowerPoint. Sometimes we want to use certain pictures, but we want to change the background to suit our needs. Rather than using softwares like Adobe Photoshop or whatever third-party applications, we can use our PowerPoint to do the trick. So let's start creating one. So on this example, I have here several pictures that we're going to use, and we're going to try to remove the backgrounds. So let's start. Okay, so this is our first example. So as you can see, this is a picture of this male with a white background, and behind that image is there's a text on it. Or okay, so I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 version. So to start with, you just click this picture, and then you go to the picture format. This is the easiest picture to remove the background because all the backgrounds are in white. So to do that, you just click picture format, and then you go to color. So as you can see, the new version of PowerPoint have a lot of imaging tools you can use, like the color saturation, the tone, recolor, or other things. But for this example, we just need to remove the white background and make it a transparent image. So to do that, you click on set transparent color. Then after that, you will see this arrow, and you have to point it on the white spot, or whatever color that you want to remove. This trick can only be used if there's a single background color that you want to use. If there are several colors, this method is not uh, applicable. It should be the second method. Okay, so let's start. I will click here on the white one. See, there you go. The white background is already removed. As you can see, it's very easy. The picture is now transparent, and it can see the content behind it. It's very easy. Okay, so again, you just go to picture format, you choose color, and then you click set transparent color. Then after that, you click on the background that you want to eliminate. Okay, that's our first example. Now let's proceed with our second slide, and I have another picture here with a different background. As you can see, the background is not plain color. There's a darker part and the lighter part. So because of this, we cannot use the background transparent change transparency background that we used a while ago. So for this case, we're going to use the other method. So just select the picture, then you go to picture format, and then you have to choose this one, remove background. Okay, so that's under picture format, and then remove background. Okay, so let's wait till the PowerPoint do the trick. Okay, so there you go. From this picture, it shows that all those in purple, they're the one that will be removed as a background. However, the software is not perfect. There are some areas that we need and we have to include on the picture we're going to retain. So to be able to do that, we have to manually mark the areas we have to keep. Same with the areas that we want to remove, we also mark. So for now, let's try to fix the hat and the lower part of the picture. So let me click this one. Then with this pen, you have to paint, draw a line on the part that you want to include on the picture. Once you release it, the PowerPoint will automatically include that part. Okay, it doesn't need to be straight line, or it doesn't need to be perfect line. The software will automatically adjust and detect the boundaries of that picture. There you go. Then this finger, we have to include this. Okay, that's perfect. Next, we change this part. We have to include the skirt. Okay, let's try. Let's wait. Then after the skirt, we're going to fix the elbow part. Okay, that's good. It's also fix the elbow part. I think we're okay with this one. Once everything is okay, all those background we want to remove is highlighted in purple, then click keep changes. There you go. So this is the picture without the background. So as you can see, same with the previous picture, we can see the text behind or a picture behind. So that's our example number 2. Okay, so let's move on to our third example. So as you can see, this girl picture has two backgrounds, the yellow and the black. So no worry, we just click the picture again, and then let's go to picture format, then go to remove background. Then let's wait till PowerPoint finished marking all those backgrounds with a purple color. Still generating. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, we don't need the yellow part. So to remove that one, we have to use this mark areas to remove. There. Okay, let's wait till it become purple. So we also have to fix the pants because the pants is also highlighted as areas to be removed. Okay, there you go. Then we remove this yellow part as well. Okay, let's wait. Okay, then let's use the green one to include the pants. There. Let's see till it finish. Okay, there's some more here. Okay, let's wait. So it takes patience as well before PowerPoint can generate all the desired outcome. Okay, let's let's try this again. Okay, then after this one we're going to remove the yellow on top. Okay, then lastly we're going to remove this yellow. After this one should be okay. So as you can see, the finished product we can see on the slide thumbnail here. There you go. Then after that we keep the changes. So it's now transparent and the background is removed. There you go, that's our finished picture. So here's our fourth slides, and our fourth picture we're going to remove the background. Okay, so same steps, you select the picture, then you go on the picture format tab here on top, and then we have to select remove background. There, once we click the remove background icon, PowerPoint will try to eliminate all the obvious background by starting to color it purple. Once the background is marked as purple, then it will be the background that will be removed. And again, since the software is not perfect, there are some areas that we have to manually do. Okay, like for example, the head. We're going to fix this one. Okay, let's wait till it finalizes. Then after that one, I'm going to fix the lower part, the skirt. Next, we fix the skirt. To be able to remove the portion that you want to remove or portion that you want to include, make sure that when you write on it, make sure it's in a closed loop. Okay, let's try to keep changes. Okay, so that's how you remove the background of a picture using PowerPoint. I'm using PowerPoint 2019 here. So we tested it in 4 pictures and everything works good. So that's all for this video today. Hope you learned something and thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Presentation Pro. Check my other tutorials. See you next time. Stay safe.